Hello beautiful people, it's Miss Jackie Nicole and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel. Today we are shopping Christmas decor at Popshelf. Let's get to it. Starting here with this beautiful display of maroon, green, cream, and mauve Christmas colors. I was loving it. It was just a very interesting twist on your traditional Christmas colors. Here you can see they have this beautiful wreath with pine cones, blueberries, brown leaves, and it was just giving everything, guys. Simply gorgeous. This whole collection was just such a vibe. I was loving all of it. Not to mention, guys, that most of this decor, as you can see, even this metal Christmas tree decor here that was absolutely adorable, is only $10 or less. So you're getting a very good solid deal with quality decor at Popshelf. And I've become a really big fan of these days until Christmas calendars. And this one here is very simple and cute, and I think it would be very cute on a desk. Now hold on, guys, did y'all see this Christmas tray here? It was heavy wood, that's the reason why it was $18, and it was beautiful, as well as this metal Christmas tray here with the green inside and the little star. Super gorgeous and very affordable. I was loving this whole collection. Guys, it would mean the world to me if you all would consider hitting subscribe and leaving me a like if you're enjoying this video. I will be bringing regular Shop With Me content that I know you will love, so please consider subscribing and leaving me a comment as well, and it would be a pleasure to have you join my fam. I would love to have you. Guys, what's Christmas without a little joy? Let's all take time this holiday season to make sure that we keep joy in our hearts, and remember, the reason for the season is Jesus, guys. It's not all about Santa Claus, it's about the Lord. Alright, and they were coming in strong with the bell decor here, as you can see. They had some really cute style bells, including this little vintage one here. And then, of course, they had these cute little houses. I thought these were so glam and adorable with the pink roof. And then they had this pink nutcracker. What? Come on, Popshelf. Y'all know what y'all are doing over there. Okay, and I know you guys can see this beautiful jewel tone decor. They have the navy blue, the maroon, the gold. Just amazing and gorgeous. And look at that, $3 for that snowflake. You cannot beat that. And of course, y'all know I love snow globes, so I had to play with this and see exactly what it looked like. And it was absolutely beautiful and only $5. A great deal. Absolutely adore these Christmas ornaments for $1, guys. They tied in so well with the themes that I've shown you, with the jewel tones, greens, purples, maroons. They had such beautiful glitzy ones too that were sparkly. I was just in love. I'm all for $1. These are a great deal. Well, that wraps it up for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I so look forward to seeing you in the next video. You guys stay blessed and take care. Love you. Bye.